Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to study mathematics. So take out mathematics book, ICSE Mathematics uh, chapter 5 pages 70 71. So first open the page 70. Numbers from 21 to 99. Okay. Learning outcomes. Students will be able to learn numbers from 21 to 99, to count in tens, to count numbers on abacus, to compare numbers, to identify numbers that come before, after, and in between the given numbers. Backward counting, to from two digit numbers using different digits. Okay, so let's learn to read and write more numbers by counting the given objects. See children, 21 to 29, page 70, numbers from 21 to 29. 21, 2 tens plus 1. See the picture, you count the balloons. So 10, 10, 2 tens plus 1, 21. Spelling also very important. So 21, TWENTY, 20, ONE1. Practice children. Okay. Next 22. See 10 balloons. 10 balloons. See, you count children, 10, 10, 20 and 2 balloons. See, 1, 2. So 2 tens, 22 is equal to, see here, 2 tens, 2 ones. 2 tens, 2 ones, 22. Okay. So TWENTY, 20, TW2. Next, 2 tens, 3 ones, 23. TWENTY, 20, THRW3. First you learn 20. And you know children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's very easy. First you learn 20, 30. So first learn 20. TWENTY, 20. See here, 24. You see, 20, 10, 10, 1 10, 2 10, 20. So you write here 2 tens, 4 ones. See the balloons, 4 balloons. So 4 ones, you write here 24. Okay, you write here 24. T 24, TWENTY, 24, FOUR, 4. Okay, next 25. So see the picture first. 25, 2 tens and 5 ones. See the picture, 5 balloons. So 2 tens, 5 ones. Right here 25. TWENTY, 25, FIV. Okay, next see 26. See 1 10, 1 10, 2 tens, 6 ones, 1 2. Count the balloons, 6 ones, so 6 I write here 6. So you write number name. 26 write here. T W E N T Y 26 SIX 6. Okay. Next 27. 2 tens C and 7 ones. Write here 27. Okay. 20 you write first and 7. 27. 28. See, 1 10, 2 10, 2 tens, 8 ones. So write here 8. So you write here 28. Okay. Spelling you know 20. First write 20 TWENTY 20 EIGHT 8. Next 2 tens, 9 ones. So first you write here TWENTY 20 NINE 9 29. So I hope everyone understood. Okay, and do it on your own. Next page from 30 to 39. Page 71. See children, 30 to 39. See 30. 3 tens, 0 ones. First practice 30. Spelling is very important. So first practice children. 30. THIRTY 30. See here 3 10. 1 2 3. So that's why write here 3 tens, 0 ones. Count the grapes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 10 10 10. 3 tens, 0 ones. Next 31. 3 tens. See 10 10 10. 3 tens, 1 1. That's why write here 31. THIRTYON 31. Next 1 2 3. 3 tens. See 3 tens, 2 ones. 3 tens, 2 ones. See 32. THIRTY 30. TWO 32. See 3 tens. See 1 2 3. So I write here 3 tens. And see the grapes. 3 grapes. So 3 ones. So write here 30. RT T THIRTY 33. Okay. 3 THR 3. Next 3 tens. See 4 ones. So 3 tens, 4 ones. Write here 30. RTY 34. FOUR 4. Next 35. 3 tens. So you write here 3 tens, 5 ones. See 1 2 3 4 5. So write here 5 ones. So you write here 35. THIRTY 30 FIVE 5. Okay. Next 36. 3 tens, 6 ones. Write here 36. THIRTY 30 SIX 6. 36. Next 37. 3 tens, 6 ones. Write here 36. THIRTY 30 SIX 6. 36. Next 38. 3 tens, 6 ones. Write here 36. THIRTY 30 SIX 6. 36. Next 39. 6 ones. Write here 36. THIRTY 30 SIX 6. 37. 37. See the picture here. 3 tens, 7 ones. 37. THIRTY, 37. SEVEN, 7. Okay. 37. 38. 38. 3 tens, 8 ones. Write here 38. THIRTY, 38. EIGHT, 38. See 39. See 3 tens and 9 ones. So 3 you write here, 3 tens, 9 ones. You write here 39. THIRTY, 30. Write first, and 9. NINE, 9. Okay, 39. I hope everyone understood page 70 and 71. Now children, take out your school diary. Write your homework. Today homework, chapter 5, pages 70, 71. So practice nicely.